The activity I created involves a group of older adults participating in a group setting while also having their own personal experiences. Feeling positive emotions and being able to recall past memories are the goal of this activity. Each adult will have plenty of time to creatively express themselves during this exercise. Older adults need activities that will stimulate and encourage memory and cognitive abilities. The activity that I created would be in the setting of an art class. Groups would each have their own easel and paper to paint on. They will each be shown photographs from times of their own lives. These will be photos that contain positive memories from the past. After the photos are given to the participants, they will then be asked to paint whatever emotions come to mind when they're looking at the photo. They will be asked questions during the painting activity, such as, where were you when this photograph was taken? Looking at this photo now, what emotions does it make you feel? They can interpret the photo however they feel is acceptable. This is an opportunity for them to be active and creative while promoting memory health. They will study the photo and transform their thought of it onto the canvas. This painting activity will be cognitively stimulating because it will encourage the participants to think back on positive memories of their past while performing a creative and physically engaging activity. Why should this activity stimulate cognitive functioning and memory? Well, this has to do with the complex development in the prefrontal cortex. When older adults process information that is emotionally positive, they also show increased activity in the middle portion of the prefrontal cortex, along with other parts of the brain. By showing participants photos of their past, it can bring up emotionally positive information, which will bring additional areas of the brain into play during the processing period. This brings me to the positivity effect. The positivity effect refers to the fact that older adults are more motivated to derive emotional meaning from life and to maintain positive feelings. Older adults are more likely than young adults to focus on the emotional insight of information. According to the Journal of Cognitive Neuroscience, an analysis showed that the positivity effect is a reliable small to medium effect that is stronger when people are allowed to process emotional stimuli in an unconstrained fashion than when they are given explicit task goals such as memorizing the pictures. With my activity of giving the participants photos from their own lives and having them interpret their memories into art, this will then stimulate parts of the brain, including the prefrontal cortex, since they will be experiencing positive emotional processing, and this is triggered by the positivity effect. For the activity, the participants will then be shown a photograph that means something personal to them, such as a picture from when they traveled, or maybe a picture of them with their children. Once the participants are shown the photo that has a personal meaning to them, then they will be given the chance to start just painting or drawing whatever emotional meaning it has to them. It can just be a representation of the photo. It doesn't have to be them drawing what is on the photo. It can just be something abstract just to get their creative juices flowing and thinking about memories from the past. This would be an important activity for older adults to participate in because while they are looking at pictures, searching their mind for memories, and interpreting their positive emotions into a painting, it will be stimulating memory and cognitive functioning in different parts of the brain.